You won't believe this. There's a website that pays you real money every single day. No experience, no investment, no waiting weeks to get paid. Just log in, do simple tasks, and cash out daily. If you're tired of scams and fake promises, this is the video you've been waiting for. Because today, I'm revealing a legit platform that lets you earn fast and withdraw fast. The website is called Picoworkers. It's a micro-tasking platform that connects people who need small online jobs done with people willing to do them, people like you. And the best part? Most tasks take just a few minutes, and you get paid immediately after the work is approved. No long delays, no fancy skills, just your time, a device, and an internet connection. Here's how it works. First, go to picoworkers.com and create a free account. You'll see a list of available tasks like testing apps, signing up for websites, following accounts, and more. Each task pays anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, and once you complete a few tasks, your balance starts growing. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can withdraw your money daily, as long as you meet the minimum threshold. Payouts are sent through trusted options like PayPal, Litecoin, Skrill, or even direct crypto wallets. But here's a tip. Start by doing the easiest jobs first to build up a good rating. The better your rating, the more high-paying tasks you unlock. Also, avoid spamming or rushing. Quality matters and bad work gets rejected. So, is this going to make you rich overnight? No. But can it help you earn some extra cash on the side, especially if you're just getting started online? Absolutely. Millions of people are already using Picoworkers to earn daily, from students to stay-at-home parents to freelancers in between gigs. The opportunity is there. You just have to take action. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real ways to make money online. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.